Along with me, I have Monica Ghelawat, who is also doing PhD with Dr. Poddar, and we both will be discussing the software part with you all today. So in today's time, it is little difficult to explain to you since Sir has also told you the limitation of Zoom and limitation of online class. So we'll try our best to tell you what this software does and how we can analyze the TM images. Basically today we are focusing on two parts: lattice fringes and selected area electron refraction, SAED. So we have provided you the examples. So from those examples, I'll be explaining one or two examples with you all, or maybe I'll explain one, but I'll explain twice one example, and then the rest of the examples you'll be doing yourself. And if you have any doubt, you can ask us. We both will be happy to help you. So I hope everybody is working on computer like laptops, and everybody has downloaded the examples files and digital micrograph software. So I'm assuming that everybody.
Monica, can you take a pause? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
I hope, as Monica has mentioned, it's very important that you are using your laptop devices, laptop or desktop devices. If you're using mobile phone, and we are sorry, I think Monica can't help you. It's this session at all is not compatible with mobile, right, Monica?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. They'll not able to understand and they'll not able to analyze also. So I am just assuming that everybody is working on their PCs and laptops. And also they have downloaded the digital micrograph software. If in case no, then I don't know what to say now. But yeah, then I'll continue in spite of that. So now we'll talk about firstly lattice fringes. SR has also talked to you regarding this, how these lattice fringes are formed. So you will see the lines or the interference pattern that you see in the images. So you'll see the lines, and from that you can calculate the d-spacing. D-spacing means the distance between the two planes of the same plane hoga, and then you can calculate the distance between them. So I'll show you how the lattice fringes look like, and then I'll tell you how to analyze them, or how you can calculate the d spacing. So first of all, let me tell you what we'll be going through in this course. I mean, today's class. So I'll be explaining one example with you. I'll be explaining twice, and I'll go slow as slow as I can for the first example, and I'll explain you again the same examples, how can you can calculate the d spacing. And then in the meantime, after that, I'll take a pause and you all will be doing, because right now with me simultaneously you cannot do the analysis part. One has to wait. So I'll wait for that moment, and then you start on your laptop. If you have any problem, then you can come, and I mean come in the sense you can ask us then and there. Okay. So let me start.
Monica,
Yes,
can you
sir.
randomly ask them to share their screen and
Yes,
in
yes,
a chat?
yes,
Okay.
I'll
Oh,
ask them.
you will be doing
Haha,
that.
yes, yes, sir.
Okay.
So I'll ask any one of them, and they'll be doing with us, and everybody will be saying
Okay.
after that.
Okay.
Okay, yes, sir,
Okay.
yes, sir. So it will be randomly. I'll be doing randomly. So be prepared that you are doing it, and you have your laptop, and then I'll not be listening your excuses. Okay. So let me share the screen. I hope everybody is able to see. This is right now mail. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
yes. Okay. So can you able to see the digital micrograph software?
yes.
हाँ मोनिका, what you can do, मोनिका, you can तू अपना वो कर ले, अनम्यूट कर दे, मेरे को बीच बीच में बोलती रहे, ठीक है ना, क्योंकि फिर मैं किसी और से पूछूंगी तो फिर it will be very problem. Okay, so just close. Okay, so this is a digital micrograph software. Open when I'll be done with this, you open in your laptop, and then I'll tell you how to do it and how to go around it. Okay, and this is the window, and this is the window where we'll be doing where we're using these tools and try to find out the d-spacing. Okay, so this is the toolbar. From here, what we have to do is file, then we have to open, and then we have to open one of the files here. So there are basically two types of file. One is JPEG image that we get from the TEM, and one is DM3 file. DM3 file means digital micrograph file. That is a software file, as sir also told us. That is a software file. So what we have to do is here we can only open digital micrograph. It is better because it is already calibrated. Okay, we don't have to do anything. We can open JPEG file also, but after that we have to do multiple things so that we can grasp any information from that. So it's better that we take the calibrated image, and if we have DM3 file, that is good. So firstly I'll be showing the example one. LF means lattice fringes, example EG means example one. So I'll be taking example one of lattice fringes file, that is DM3 file, that is a software file. Okay, so let's open this. I've selected that, and let's open it. So it will be like this. It will look like this. You can minimize a little bit, and then it will look like this. So you can see that these are the lattice fringes. That's our also talk about. Okay, so these are the lattice fringes. So what we have to do from lattice fringes? Okay, we are seeing it, but what we have to do? So we can calculate the lattice. We can calculate the lattice spacing, de-spacing from that. But how to do it and how to go around it? So since we have already open up the digital micrograph file, so we don't have to calibrate it. It is already from the software part, so it is already calibrated. It means that whatever distance or whatever line we are making, it is it is calculating the exact you can say distance. So for example, this is the 5 nanometer scale. So if I'll take one line and I'll calculate what is this distance. It will tell me that it is a 5 nanometer distance. Okay, but in JPEG image it is not so. In JPEG image, so firstly we have to convert that in something else, then we have to calibrate, and then only you can use. So during the calibration, sometimes what happens is we have to manually calculate. So there are some sources of error. So it's better that we take the software file only. So for example, here we have seen the software file only, and if in case we have some time, I'll also show how to go around with the JPEG image. If in the end of the lecture we have some time, I'll also show you how to go around the JPEG image. But for example, here right now we'll be focusing on the software files only. Okay, so this is the tool. We have selected the arrow part, so we cannot do anything about, like we cannot analyze anything right now, just a square or nothing. It is working. Okay, so for the lattice spacing, what we have to do is you have to take this tool. This tool you have to take, and you have to draw a line. So of course you are drawing a line here, so it will show like this. But from here you cannot do, or you cannot calculate properly what the lattice, what is the lattice fringes. Okay, what is the distance, like de-spacing. So what you have to do is you have to double click. It will ask for the integration width. Okay, since now it is only 1, so you can increase it 50. You can do 50, or maybe you can do 100. Okay, so then you have to click OK. So it will be a broader, and then now you can see that it is a bit more clearer. These fringes, or these are the lines, or these dark lines and white lines, these are like that only. Okay, so it is a it is showing this replica over there. So this is a profile, line profile over here. Okay, and since we have increased the width, so it is showing a proper better width. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to make sure that these are aligned properly. Okay, if in case these are, see for example, if I'll move here, I'll double click on it. If I move here, see how it is moving, the line profile, how it is moving. You can see it, right? Hannah?
Yes.
I'm sorry. So you can see that how it is moving. I can little bit make it smaller, so then number of lines would be smaller. Okay, I can make it little bit larger, then there will be incorporation of more number of lines. Okay, so like this. So you have to make sure this whatever I have made a line, it aligns properly on the black line or white line properly, so that whatever you get the line profile, it is better. Okay, so there's no source of error in that. Of course, this is again a manual things, and you have to see that it is proper and nice. So what I'll do, I'll take little bit more lines, and then I'll try to fit that it is proper. Okay, by moving here and there. Okay, it is not changing much. It means I'm there at the proper place. Okay, and then okay, so you can take as many as you want. Okay, so de-spacing, what is de-spacing? There's a One chat. Do I need to
Can
open?
you use laser point? Jyoti, we cannot use laser point here. If we are going to use laser point, we cannot control
Perform any
the
action, huh?
rectangle.
Mm-hmm. So you have to at least see properly, yeah. You have to see to my cursor only, then only, because ultimately then we cannot play around these.
Yes. Since we are using software, we can
Mhm.
we will not able to control the software.
हाँ जी, हम उनका.
Can you just do one thing? अगर zoom हो सकता है तो, so that they can able to see the rectangle.
हाँ, एक बार ना मैं चेक करती हूँ. या इस पे
नहीं अच्छा
हाँ, इस
नहीं
पे कुछ
चलेगा क्योंकि ये सॉफ्टवेयर खोला हुआ है ना हमने.
हाँ,
Okay.
right. So what you can say, you can नहीं, अपने लैपटॉप में भी zoom नहीं हो सकता. Okay.
It is visible.
Okay, it is visible ना. Thank you. हाँ. Okay, so fine. Though since you have done this, okay, but what is lattice fringes? Is it the distance that I have taken it? No, it is the distance between only one line. I mean, two lines. That is the distance of lattice fringes. So what you have to do is you have to see that you calculate the distance from the maximum of this. So, but while doing only one, there's a source of error. So what you can do is you can average out. So you can take as many as you want, and then you can divide by that number of lines, है ना? So I'm taking in between this line and calculate how many lines are there. So this distance is 5.96 nanometer. In between you can see 5.961 nanometer. But how many lines are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And then this half and this half. So I'm taking 12 lines. So 5.96 divide by 12. That would be around 0.49. Okay. So that will be your
spacing.
D spacing, right, Monica? That would be your lattice spacing, D spacing. So this you have calculated from here. Okay, since you have calculated from this region, next time when I'll be explaining again, I'll be calculating from this region, and we can see that whether you are getting the same spacing or not, or it is the same plane, right? So we will be getting the same D spacing. Okay, till now, is it okay? Like everybody is on the same page?
Okay, I will randomly choose the name.
Monica, you can ask. Yes, Monica, you can ask.
Okay. Pawan. Pawan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you? Hello. Internet problem is there. I see. Okay. Vidya. Pawan, you are not audible. Can you mute yourself, please? There is some internet issue from your side.
I hope he's able to understand.
I don't know. I mean, Pawan, you are not audible. Can you just mute yourself, please?
Or maybe if in case you have any question, then you can drop in chat box, because we are not able to hear Pawan, है ना?
Yes.
Hello.
Who's speaking, Monica?
I don't know. Someone else.
Monica Malik, I have made you the host. So
Okay,
you will
sir.
be able to mute and unmute people. Okay,
okay, sir. Okay,
yeah,
sir.
you can do that. Sometimes they have trouble.
Yes, sir.
Vidya?
What is the integration with, and what is the range we can take? This is the question asked by Mayur. Integration means, what is integration means? What do you mean by integration? I mean, range of what? I mean, I didn't understand your question, Mayur.
Ma'am, when you just open the file, when you select that curve symbol from the standard tools, it was asking you to it was asking you to put the sum values or take the sum values from integration book.
Okay, okay. So that we have taken 50, or that is not, it's just this line width. So that you can take from more than, so that it's visible. There's no as such range as such. It is better if it get little bit more than 50. So it will be better for you to take the line this width. So it does not have to do anything like that, but it's just that it tells you what the width of this line would be, and then you can manage to get proper lines. And then you can whatever data, I mean whatever value you will get, that of the higher accuracy. It's just that it is, I mean there's as such no range as such with it. So you can take 150 also. If I have taken 100, right, so you can take 150 also, so it's okay.
It is
Okay,
just
ma'am.
one side of the rectangle, length of
Mhm.
one side of the rectangle. So the higher you will take, the broader will be the rectangle.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Priyanshi,
Yes, ma'am.
are you getting like how we can find out lattice fringes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think we continue.
Okay, okay. So I'll explain once more in this portion, and then we'll be seeing whatever lattice spacing we are getting again. Okay, so I'll close this. It will ask us to save changes before closing. I'll say no. Again, I'll change it, I'll close it, and then I'll ask to change. So I'll say no, I don't want to change anything. Okay, so then again file, then I'll again open, then I'll again lf example1 dm3 file. You can do in same also, you don't have to close it, it's okay, but I'm just again telling you. Okay, I'm just again letting you know that how to open the file again. Okay, so then again you will take this tool, this symbol, from this icon from the toolbar. You again draw a line. Okay, so this time I've made a shorter line. I'll double click on it at the integration width. So of course, then if you want to take 150, this time we'll take 150. Okay, so you can see from the last time, the broader, this width is little bit broader. Okay, so it has more width. So I mean I can do this, since see here whatever we are giving, there's a haziness in the image. So here you can see that the fringes of are of the lower intensity as compared to the fringes what we are getting here, because they are more sharper, they are more, I mean we can see clearly. So in the same way here also it is showing like that only. Okay, so you can play around this, and you can check whether you have made a right line or right rectangle or not. Okay, so then, or you can go around this space, whatever space you want to take. For example, I'm going here in this space, because here everything is fine of the same. So make sure that you have aligned the rectangle in a line that has been there, I mean in the plane parallel to the lattice fringes. Okay, it should not be making any angles, otherwise you'll not get proper lattice fringes, I mean lattice spacing. Okay, so let's move here like that. Okay, then again we'll try to take it. Okay, I hope the angles are fine. I'll try a little bit. Okay, so then I'll take from here to here. Let's take a less number of lines here. So this is 4.06, and how many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right?
Eight
Right,
line.
8. So 4.06 divided by 8, that would be around
0.50.
0.50. So previously it was 0.59, and this time it is 50.
0.498.
0.498. So of course that was around only 50 only, right? So this time also it is, we are getting 0.507. So of course there will be some error because we are doing it manually. So but the range is not that much. So what we can see it from here, that we are getting the same lattice fringes from both the sides. Okay, so this is how you can calculate the spacing from the lattice fringes that we obtained from our TM instrument. Okay, so now what we are going to plan now. So you'll be opening the second example that we have provided. This was the LF example 1. Now you'll be opening LF example 2 DM3 file on your computer, and then you'll be performing the same. Okay, and then when we'll ask you tell us the value, then only you can tell us. Before that you can tell us that you have done okay, but don't tell us the value. So we'll be randomly picking, Monica will be randomly picking the name, and she'll ask what's the value. Okay, meantime I'll unshare the screen. I'll also calculate what is the value, because I'm not sure what is the value. I'll also calculate and we'll match. Okay, is everything okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes, ma'am.
you can start. I'll just unshare the screen. You start your analysis part, and then tell us what is the value of your despacing on the second example. Okay.
If anybody has any question or problem while doing the second example, he or she can ask in between also.
Hello. Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Hello, Deepali. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, I have installed that software, but
Okay.
the problem is I am not getting the toolbar over there.
Okay, you are not getting the toolbar. What you can do is, are you able to see window on the toolbar, like on the top?
The software is it's showing only file and help option over there. That toolbar.
There are two files.
You have downloaded from the SIRS Dropbox folder, right?
Yes.
Everybody has downloaded from there. Then only there only.
No,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
There are two sites where we have to download. One
कहाँ से डाउनलोड किया तुमने?
मैम दो मेल आया था ना, तो एक में सॉफ्टवेयर था और एक में एग्जांपल्स थे.
सॉफ्टवेयर वाला भी शायद मनीषा ने शेयर किया था ना.
हाँ.
तो वो डाउनलोड किया कि सर ने जो सिर्फ exe फाइल दी थी वो डाउनलोड की? क्योंकि अगर तुम सिर्फ exe फाइल डाउनलोड करोगे ना, तो जो तुम्हें दिख रहा है सिर्फ फाइल और एक और ऑप्शन जो है सिर्फ वही दिखेगा, एंड देन यू विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू एनीथिंग. जो अगर मनीषा ने जो फोल्डर शेयर किया होगा उसमें सब चीज होंगी, तो उसकी वजह से आपके पास सारे ऑप्शंस आएंगे. डिड यू डू दैट?
Yes, ma'am. Same problem. Actually, only exe file download हुआ है.
एक सेकेंड मनीषा कैन यू कमेंट इन दैट, या फिर क्या आपने मेल किया था उसमें सब चीज?
Ma'am, I have mailed both of the files.
मैम सारी फाइल्स थी मैम उसमें. आई थिंक कुछ लोगों ने सिर्फ exe फाइल ही डाउनलोड करी है.
Manisha, you are not audible clearly.
Hello, am I audible now?
Yes,
hello.
yes.
बोलो.
Am I audible now?
Yes,
I have
Manisha.
made both the files, example files, and also there's a micrograph file. And Miss Priyanshi was encountering the problem with that example file because she was downloading it on mobile, I believe. As per she messaged me yesterday night. So I don't know what to do now.
Okay, Manisha. Let's see the Mayur, you were saying something. You have downloaded from the folder that Manisha has sent through email, and you are able to do it, right?
Yes, ma'am. I can able to.
So you are able to do whatever we have done till now, है ना, in the software
Yes,
part,
yes.
right? So everybody, अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ, सब इतना लेट हो जाएगा.
Okay, Priyanshi,
बट सबके साथ
प्रियांशी?
प्रॉब्लम आ रही है मोनिका, कोई भी नहीं कर पा रहा है वो सबके साथ ही, क्योंकि मनीषा
Yes,
ने
ma'am.
सबको
नहीं
मेल
नहीं
किया था।
नहीं मैम, मेरा हो गया मैम।
Yes, ma'am, I have got the
Yes,
mail
yes.
actually, but I have some problem in my laptop, so I think ma'am इसलिए डाउनलोड नहीं हो पाया। एक ही फाइल डाउनलोड हुआ, बस फिगर दिख रहा है बस।
Since now you
Ma'am,
have your laptop right now, you have mobile, I mean connection, also internet connection, please try to download as fast as you can this digital micrograph software. Only then you can do, otherwise there will not be a, I mean there will be a problem, you cannot do the analysis part. So you have I mean just
Okay,
listen to us right now, we are but you not log out, but you are minimize this window, Zoom window, and then you can open your Gmail, and then you download the software part that Manisha has sent. Okay.
yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
Ma'am,
Anybody else also? Yes.
I have done.
What is okay? No, don't tell us the value. Okay, it's okay.
No,
But
no.
what you can do is you can do rest of the examples, Hemant.
आगे भी करें?
आगे भी कर लो, क्या हो गया?
हाँ।
आगे भी करें.
Okay. किसी और, anybody else has any kind of problem regarding the downloading part or any calculation part?
Hello, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
I have software, but I don't have.
Ma'am, I have software, but I don't have example files.
Same situation.
I mean,
Ma'am, it was
see,
asking-
Manisha has mailed you.
Tushar, I have shared you with. You have asked me for the granting the permission. I have access. I have shared the
Okay,
access
ma'am.
with you. You
Okay,
download
ma'am.
the examples file, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank
Okay,
you.
Rajkiran,
Yes,
same with
ma'am,
you.
thank you.
हाँ,
Yes,
हाँ.
ma'am.
Yes,
same
I have
with me, Animesh.
already. I have already started download.
Okay, then it's fine. Okay, please do it. Please hurry up, otherwise we don't have time.
It's done
It's
almost 50%. I am waiting for it. But
okay.
I have
but
one
do-
temporary file here. I have opened that. Let me share my screen so that you can figure out.
Oh, you will share, then I have to make a host, Baba.
Co-host.
You cannot share as such, na?
Okay.
Oh, okay. So Pawan has also asked me to access the grant. I mean, grant
Ma'am,
the
I
access.
also asked, ma'am, Animesh.
Animesh, I have mailed you, I guess.
Yes, ma'am, you have
Ani-
mailed me, but while downloading the zip file, for example, it was showing
Okay.
that. it's
I have
denied.
shared again. Okay, just try download it again.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
have shared the access.
Okay, ma'am.
Mhm. Okay, and then not only this, but you have to do for the that part also, na? क्या बोलते हैं? Digital micrograph also. Then if in case it is asking for the access, then only Manisha can provide, because she has mailed you. I have not mailed you. So if you all are able to download the micrograph file, complete file, not just exe file, complete file.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have shared the link, so I don't need to grant any permission. It will be easily downloaded.
Okay, then it's fine. Then it's fine, then
Yes.
it's fine, Manisha. Thank you, yeah. So I'll give you another 5 minutes till 5:40. I hope everybody will be able to download, and then we'll continue the class.
Monica,
Anjali Bhavnati, yes.
I think from the share section, you can allow participants to share their screen. I think that is possible even if you do not make them host.
Co-host बना के बोल दो.
हाँ, co-host बनाना पड़ेगा ना मेरे को. वैसे भी anyway दीदी, I have to make like when I'll be asking questions, or when we'll be asking question, Monica and me, so we'll be asking them to share their screen. So
Okay.
हाँ, so that time I'll do, but till then अगर उन्होंने अभी तो examples ही download नहीं किए ना, digital micrograph क्या
Folder
करूँ?
complete download करना चाहिए.
वही.
I agree. Okay.
मैम दो फाइल था ना, तो इसलिए एक ही फाइल डाउनलोड होगा.
कोई बात नहीं, अब मैं क्या बोलूं हेमंत.
Didn't I mail you and ask you yesterday night?
हाँ, actually she also mailed everybody
I
that
also
these.
WhatsApp you.
आपने किया था, दोनों किया था, पर एक ही लोगों ने किया ना.
Whose fault?
मैम दोनों फाइल्स थे उसमें. एक एक्चुअली 2 लिंक शेयर की थी मनीषा ने, जिसके अंदर में एक ड्राइव का एक्सेस था और दूसरा वाला ड्रॉप बॉक्स का था.
हाँ.
तो ड्राइव में जो थे वो एग्जांपल्स थे सारे के सारे.
वो
और
67 MB का
हाँ
था।
MB का, right,
Yes.
right. That was
और
shared by
जो
me and then
एक-
she forwarded it. Yes.
हाँ
या और
और
जो ड्रॉपबॉक्स का जो लिंक था उसके अंदर में सॉफ्टवेयर था।
हाँ 30 MB का था वो।
Yes.
बट उसमें तो सिर्फ जो ड्रॉपबॉक्स का था उसमें सिर्फ exe फाइल थी, राइट? नहीं
नहीं
नो मैम,
बाकी
नॉट
तो-
ओनली
मैम
एक्सेस फाइल।
उसमें सब कुछ था।
अच्छा,
पूरा
okay Manisha.
फोल्डर पूरा
हाँ।
फोल्डर हुआ था।
Okay Manisha, okay, that was not shared with me, so I don't know, but yeah, okay, you have shared, then it is okay, yeah. But then are you
मनीषा को सेंटी कर रहे हो?
मनीषा, मनीषा वो हो गई है। हाँ जी, बोलो, कौन बोल रहा है?
एक्चुअली मेरा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन थोड़ा वीक था, तो मैंने स्टार्टिंग में सीधा सुना नहीं।
Okay, so you want us to repeat it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
We will
meantime,
be repeating the second example.
हाँ
पहले नहीं
हाँ
बताते।
हाँ, right, ठीक है, okay. So will what we are asking people to do the second examples, and then to get the value we'll be repeating, or we'll be asking any one of the to share their screen, and they'll be telling you. That time you can understand also, है ना?
ओके मैम, और एक
हाँ जी,
प्रॉब्लम
हाँ जी,
है कि
हाँ जी, बोलिए आंसर।
मुझे ना यहाँ पे सिर्फ फाइल और हेल्प का यही आ रहा है मैम।
हाँ, अभी आंसर आप अभी फिर से ज्वाइन किए क्या?
ये मेरा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन थोड़ा वीक है मैम, इसीलिए।
ओके, सो अभी जो हम वेट कर रहे हैं हम उसी के लिए वेट कर रहे हैं। एक्चुअली मनीषा ने कल कुछ शेयर किया था फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर और लिंक्स। हाँ, तो उसमें पूरे डिजिटल माइक्रोग्राफ का फोल्डर है, सिर्फ exe फाइल नहीं। तो अगर आप पूरा फोल्डर डाउनलोड करेंगे देन ओनली यू विल टू डू इट as such we are doing it today. I mean in the last examples what we have done, so you'll be doing it. I mean you can do it after that when you have downloaded complete folder, not only exe file. Okay, so I think you are working on only on exe file. You don't have the whole access of the whole folder, so it's better. Yes, Mayur.
Ma'am, I can do one thing. I can upload all the software and all the examples in my drive, and I can share the link with them.
Hello,
So I think everybody
I have
is
done download.
Okay. So I think everybody is on the same
have
page, I guess.
completed
Both the things, Rajkiran, both the things, down folder and
Yeah,
the
I already
examples.
got software and now I downloaded the examples.
Okay, so everybody.
Then solve the example 2.
हाँ, example 2,
Quickly,
LF
please.
example 2. Please यार जल्दी कर लो. I hope everybody then we can move forward. Otherwise there is no point of class, है ना? हाँ जी, answer.
Ma'am, I have downloaded the example file also.
Okay, so what about the micrograph file? Digital micrograph
Yes ma'am,
file.
डिजिटल माइक्रो, हाँ वो भी कर लिया मैम।
सिर्फ एक फाइल नहीं आंसर, सिर्फ exe फाइल नहीं, पूरा फोल्डर है, उसमें बहुत सारी फाइल्स हैं। क्या आपने वो पूरा कंप्लीट किया?
उसमें 2 डाउनलोड हुए मैम, थोड़ा वीक है इंटरनेट कनेक्शन यहाँ पे, इसीलिए।
हाँ, so then only if you are able to download it completely, then only you can work on it. Otherwise there is no point.
Okay.
Yes, please wait for it to work on for your thing. Okay. Everybody, like, okay, Rajkiran has done it. Harsh, have you done it?
Yes, ma'am.
You have downloaded both the things
Yes, ma'am.
and you have done the example too?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, mute yourself. Kiran, have you done both the things?
Yeah, I have done.
Have you done the example?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Dipali? Dipali?
I have downloaded all the files, but still that option is there, only file and help. No other tools are there.
If anybody has number, then किसी के पास इसका नंबर, राजकिरण जिन्होंने कर लिया, please can you help her? उसको फाइल्स अगर नहीं मिल रही है डिजिटल माइक्रोग्राफ की, if any, दीपाली को.
Dipali.
If you know her, yeah. Hemant, you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Animesh, you have done?
No, ma'am. File was downloading.
Oh, okay. So both the things are downloading. You are what you are downloading
Yeah.
right now?
Ma'am, that extension file I have downloaded, and right now I'm downloading that example file. exe.
Baba, we have mailed you yesterday na example file सबसे
No,
download
ma'am,
नहीं किया आपने.
but ma'am, it was not giving us the access.
Priyanshi?
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying now. Actually, network is slow. So.
Okay, Pooja, Vidya. Jyoti.
Ma'am, I have done it. I'm on example 2, but I'm unable to find that lattice spacing. Like, I don't know, maybe if you repeat, then I can.
Okay, so since you have the files, you can at least access the thing, right?
Yes, I'm doing that. I'm trying also. I'm getting that fringes and those but my bars are not clear. That you were having peaks, no? So I'm having bars kind of structures there. So I'm unable to calculate that.
Okay, then I'll ask you to share your screen. Wait
Sure.
for some time. Okay, Dinesh. Okay, nahi. Uma Sharan.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. I have downloaded, but I can't able to
Find the
yeah.
spacing. Okay, you have problem.
Yes.
Okay, we'll go.
What, Didi, wait. What is the problem? Why you are not able to calculate it? Just now, Didi has shown you. Guys, have some manners. Somebody is putting their time. Yesterday also, from yesterday, it has, I guess, more than 20 hours. You guys have not downloaded it. And now you are saying us, this is not working, that is not working. What is the problem, Uma Shankar? May I know? Why you are not able
I
to
don't
calculate?
know. I don't know, ma'am. I have downloaded both file, but it's not working. Only image open.
Okay, I think we have to show again one example.
No, उसको lattice fringes calculate में problem हो रही है कि उसका software नहीं चल रहा. Uma Sharan, what is your problem? Your software is working full complete na as the toolbar that we have shown from our digital. Hanji.
No. My software is not working.
हाँ, वही तो software work नहीं कर रहा भैया इनका.
सही बोल रहे थे सर.
क्या बोलूं? तुषार, एक सेकेंड, हाँ वेट करो. मीन टाइम जिसका हो गया, प्लीज कैन यू कोऑर्डिनेट विद उमा शरण एंड कैन टेल हिम हाउ टू डू इट, टू गो अराउंड इट. क्योंकि एग्जांपल्स फाइल का अगर मैं एक्सेस ग्रांट कर रही हूँ, सो पीपल आर एबल टू डाउनलोड एटलीस्ट. और बट ये सॉफ्टवेयर का थोड़ा सा ज्यादा पंगा हो रहा है. सो इफ समबडी हैज डन इट, प्लीज कैन यू हेल्प दीपाली एंड उमा शरण, प्लीज. आई विल रिक्वेस्ट. हाँ तुषार, व्हाट आर यू अप टू? यू हैव डाउनलोडेड एंड यू हैव.
मैम एग्जांपल डाउनलोड हो रहा है, तब तक मैम कोई दूसरा एग्जांपल पड़ा था ड्रॉप बॉक्स में, मैम उसको खोल के मैम प्रैक्टिस कर रहा था थोड़ी देर.
नहीं, that is okay, but you are working on both the things. Say like you're working, I mean your software is working, right?
Yes ma'am, yes.
Okay, fine, cool. Pawan?
Yes ma'am.
Your software is working and you have downloaded the files?
No, I have downloaded that both files ma'am, but the software is not working actually.
Software work
I'm
नहीं कर रहा,
doing
मतलब?
on work it software unable to work this software. They are showing that problems.
What problem?
So I'm doing that, but
you're just only, I mean, you're not able to calculate the despacing. That is your problem, or you are?
No. I can calculate, ma'am, but I'm.
It is not showing the options.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. I can't take that file from that in our software. So I need some time.
Dipali, have you done?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing.
अबे यार क्या बोलूं मैं अभी? How will I go? How will I move forward यार? Tell me.
मैम.
हाँ जी हेमंत, बोलिए. आपके पास कोई उपाय है?
रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है तो दिक्कत नहीं है.
मैम मैं एक काम कर सकता हूँ मैम.
हाँ जी.
जैसे कि मेरे पास में दोनों फाइल का एक्सेस है. आपने एक ड्राइव का एक्सेस कर लिया था.
हाँ जी.
और ड्रॉपबॉक्स का एक्सेस ऑलरेडी हमें है. तो मैं मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर करके उनको मैं क्या क्या डाउनलोड करना है एक बार बता देता हूँ सारे लोगों को, और फिर बाद में वो डाउनलोड भी कर लेंगे.
Sorry guys, but you came for PhD. Seriously?
मैम मुझे पता है, मैंने खुद डाउनलोड कर लिया हूँ, बट बहुत लोगों को डाउनलोड नहीं करना आया, तो उसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं?
Okay, fine.
Ma'am,
दी उसको
actually, I
co-host बना
also
दो.
told them.
Ma'am, what can I
Ma'am,
say?
actually also told them to mail me if they encounter any problem.
हाँ exactly,
I
and I
think they are
asked Manisha
downloading right
also.
now only.
हाँ, I also Manisha कि अगर उसको प्रॉब्लम हुई है तो आगे मुझे फॉरवर्ड करो या बातें बोलो. उसने भी अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करी and we are doing it from last night. I was also not
Actually,
well yesterday, but still we were
Yes,
doing.
ma'am. Actually, मुझे भी थोड़ा मतलब डाउनलोडिंग में एक्सेस का अगर प्रॉब्लम चल रहा था तो मैंने मनीषा से कहा था.
Right. Mayur, are you able to share your screen now? Manisha, you were saying something. Please continue. Yeah, sorry. Huh?
I think they are seeing
Yes,
the
ma'am.
mail right now, or they are taking it very lightly. I
Arey,
think.
yes, many
Their
of
problem.
the students have asked me for the permission after 3 or after 4 p.m. Manisha today only after 4 p.m. when we have to start a class at 5. So people are asking me for the grant the access at 4 p.m. So what we can do? Okay, so you go around.
Is my screen visible to everyone?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
Can see WhatsApp.
Okay. Don't worry, nothing is personal there. Okay. So here we have file Gatan by the name of Gatan. Okay, and digital micrograph. Okay, just go there and click on the save to Dropbox. Okay. And just
Or
fill
maybe
this
you can
form.
ask for the download.
Download also.
Download सीधा कर ले.
हाँ, download कर लो सीधा.
अरे sorry, not
हाँ, right. कोई नहीं. तो इसी तरह से जिन लोगों को प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, you can see on his screen that you can download the digital micrograph. So you should not download only exe file. Can you? What are you doing, Mayur?
Yes, ma'am. This is what the
It is asking to
file
save for
of
the permission. Okay.
ये तो
Yes, just
Okay, so you
click on
can
the start download and you would get it. Okay. This is for the step 1, and for the step 2, I hope everyone have got the mail shared by Manisha. Okay, so this one is for software, and another one is for this 218. See here. So this zip file. So from here you can download the whole software. Click on the download. You will get whole software. Okay, and from this, see. This link will request you, ma'am, to give the access. Okay, so I hope you will give the you can just make a open access to that file so that everyone can download, ma'am. So just click on here, and you can click on the download anyway. It will automatically download. So these are the 2 files which you have to download. That's it. And then again, after downloading, you will have a zip file here, like these 2 files. You can see digital micrograph names and for NCL 218 class. Okay, so just unzip it and put and place anywhere wherever you want, on the desktop or any software. See, this is what software files look like. Okay, you must have the 6 of items like a one digital micrograph refs, plugins, help, core, etc. and the example file like this. I hope people have got. You don't have to worry about the link. Just click on the mail what you have got from the Manisha. Okay, she has shared well.
सर एक मिनट इसी पे रहिएगा. मैम इसमें ये लॉगिन क्या मतलब?
Actually, are you able to hear?
No need to log in. No need to log in. Just click. Just
Actually,
download this zip file.
Previously, what used to happen that everybody used to be there in NCL, so that was from the Rakshak. So we have already downloaded the part. We have only shared with you. So this is not the things. Actually, this was the thing that I used to share when people used to be there in NCL itself. So we used to download the digital micrograph from the Rakshak from the NCL site. So that was the whole protocol. But now since everybody is at their places, at their home, so this will not work because it is from the NCL portal. So it will not work. So I forgot that and I have mailed as such then and then. So it was not meant for you this time.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I run this code using the Windows R command, and it shows to diagnose me.
So it will not work because it has to be done from the NCL itself only.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so it will not work. But just for this purpose, to like for this protocol to मतलब use ना करें, हमने आपको direct folder दिया था.
Ma'am,
But
I can do one thing, ma'am. I can share the direct link to them so that they can download these two files only. This one and another one is Dropbox.
अभी सबने I guess कर लिया होगा, बहुत देर हो चुकी है. दीपाली, उमा शरण, shall we move forward? It's already 6. What will we do? हम lattice fringes पे ही रहेंगे आज.
वो हो जाएंगी.
मयूर, तुमने लिंक कौन सी शेयर की जो
दोनों ड्राइव में एग्जांपल्स है और ड्रॉपबॉक्स में सॉफ्टवेयर है.
अरे वो नहीं, जो मोनिका मैम ने ऑलरेडी शेयर की वो या फिर तुमने खुद की अलग से शेयर की?
नहीं, मोनिका मैम की ही लिंक है.
Hello ma'am, Deepali is here.
हाँ Deepali.
I have got it, the answer. I did that exam.
Okay, thank you so much. Uma Sharan. Priyanshi, you are asking for sharing the file now. Wow, हाँ? अभी 5:52 पे आप मुझसे शेयर करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. तुमने शायद कल भी किया था क्या, मुझे याद नहीं. I don't know, but जो भी है. Okay, so I guess we should not wait much time. We should not wait for much now, and we should go or we should move forward.
Ma'am, I think you should go forward and teach at least one of us so that further we can lead on other students as well.
अच्छा, आप सबकी हेल्प करेंगे क्या?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay. हाँ जी हेमंत.
मैम रिकॉर्डिंग भी हो रही है तो रिकॉर्डिंग अपलोड भी हो जाता है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
रिकॉर्डिंग ये सब भी झमेला भी रिकॉर्ड होगा तो आप सोचो कैसे हम उसको अपलोड करेंगे.
ड्रॉप कर लेंगे मैम.
वेरी गुड. हाँ सर ये करने बैठेंगे है ना. ओके सो स्टॉप.
सीरियसली मतलब गाइस तुम्हें नहीं लगता तुम कुछ ज्यादा मांग रहे हो सर से? मतलब तुम एक चीज डाउनलोड नहीं कर सकते 20 घंटे में और तुम ये बोल रहे हो तुम जो ये डाउनलोड कर रहे हो इन सब चीजों को एडिट करके सर यूट्यूब पे या तुम्हारे लिए रिकॉर्डिंग शेयर करे. सीरियसली आई मीन तुम लोग पीएचडी स्टूडेंट हो या सर तुम्हारे अंडर है?
नहीं मैम एक्चुअली व्हाट आई से कि प्रीवियस जितने भी लेक्चर्स हुए हैं सारे के रिकॉर्डिंग्स हमें YouTube पे मिल सर ने अपलोड कर दिए हैं. और
अरे तो उसमें ऐसा था नहीं ना कि ये सब प्रॉब्लम हुई. अभी ये सब प्रॉब्लम के साथ
डाउनलोड कर रहे हो यार तुम?
नो मैम व्हाट आई से कि बाकी जो लोग डाउनलोड नहीं किए वो डाउनलोड कर लेंगे. बाकी आप एज इट इज स्टार्ट कर दीजिए, बाकी जो होगा हम लोग बाद में बता देंगे.
हेमंत सॉरी बट इंस्टेड ऑफ सजेस्टिंग अस that we should do this, we should do that, I think तुम लोगों को पहले से ही डाउनलोड करके रखना चाहिए था. Don't you think this is the best way कि तुम लोगों को जब कोई प्रॉब्लम आती तो हो जाता. YouTube पे वीडियो तो बहुत सारी हो जाएंगी. ओके इस पर्टिकुलर सॉफ्टवेयर की नहीं होंगी, किसी और की होंगी.
नहीं मोनिका इसकी भी है, ये इसके भी पालेंगे. इस वाले सॉफ्टवेयर की भी है.
अभी मुझे अभी सही में लग रहा है कि हम ये बैच सही में अनोखा है सर, गलत नहीं है. ये लोग मतलब सीरियसली अपनी गलती को वो करके बोल रहे हैं कि नहीं आप वीडियो दे देना हमें, हम वीडियो देख लेंगे.
हेलो मैम.
ओके चलो
ऑलरेडी कर चुका हूं मैम, मैं दोनों फाइल डाउनलोड कर चुका हूं, दोनों फाइल डाउनलोड कर चुका हूं मैं. 2 एग्जांपल.
ओके लेट्स स्टॉप इट नाउ, वी विल मूव फॉरवर्ड.
आई थिंक हां दी
उमा आप कुछ बोल रहे थे. उमा शरण आप कुछ बोल रहे थे.
Yes ma'am, this software is not compatible for MacBook ma'am.
हाँ जी, तो आपके पास MacBook है?
Yes ma'am.
So pay for this software, you can just download from Google and pay for that software. You can download it for Mac also.
Okay.
It will provide for Windows itself.
Okay. So how much price of this? How much subscription?
Just Google it ना.
Okay.
ओके लेट्स स्टॉप इट नाउ. अभी हम आगे मूव करते हैं. सो कोई अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करके दिखाना चाहेगा कि किसने क्या किया है? एनीबॉडी फास्ट, यू हैव ओनली 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I can.
No, not those two. I mean not Hemant and Mayur, please. नहीं, अभी तुम नहीं. कोई और?
दीदी उसको को होस्ट बनाना पड़ेगा, जो भी कोई
हाँ
बोले.
हाँ कोई भी नहीं, हमें बोलती बस. वो मयूर तो ऑलरेडी बना हुआ है शायद. कौन बोल रहा है?
Rajkiran, this is Rajkiran.
Okay, Rajkiran, I'll make you co-host and then you just show your screen.
Okay.
Yes, please go ahead.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, I am.
You just zoom it little bit. You maximize it. We are able to see most of your desktop, not able to see your proper screen. Yeah.
Is it okay now?
Yes. So this is the second example, right?
Yes, this is the second example.
Okay.
I have drawn line and make it 150 times.
Okay.
I was doing finding the D spacing, but
Okay.
I have drawn a rectangle, means by double clicking on this line profile image. But I can do the further. What to do further?
Rajkiran, your rectangle is not aligned to lettuce fringes line. You have to align that.
ये जो है अभी तुमने रेक्टेंगल बनाया है ना, हाँ,
इसको सही से
मूव करो.
in that direction, opposite direction में मूव करो.
थोड़ा सा इधर लेफ्ट. हाँ, इस तरह से करो. हाँ, अभी लाइन पे है, बिल्कुल लाइन पे. Just see, everybody see what he is doing right now. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And Rajkiran, this is not the like
what?
This is not the excuse me.
Yes.
This is not the proper area to do. Can you see that this is the most clear area to do?
You can click on it and you can bring some other place. You can नीचे थोड़ा सा और साइड में लेके आओ, left hand side. left. हाँ देखो यहाँ पे. अभी तुम अपनी फ्रिंजेस देख रहे हो वहाँ पर, जो तुम्हें ऊपर लाइन प्रोफाइल में देख रहे हो. हाँ, so it's better पहले से कि अभी?
No, now it is better.
हाँ, now it is better. So that was she was explaining to you. So you can check around कि कहाँ पे आपको better दिख रहा है. Okay. Yes.
So
Everybody, for everybody.
Means we can check by moving this rectangle.
Rectangle, yes, right.
Before that, just check by your eyes also that this is not the clear area. So go to that most intense where you can clearly see the lines. That will give you the
right.
best value.
जब तुम अपनी आंखों से देख पाओगे तो आपका सिस्टम भी उसको अच्छे से पढ़ पाएगा ना. अगर हमें अपनी आंखों से ही नहीं दिख रहा, सो देन सिस्टम पे उसमें थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ हो सकता है. सो बेटर जो हम अपनी आंखों से दिख रहा है तो सिस्टम उसको अच्छे से कैलकुलेट करेगा ही करेगा. सो फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन सी कि वो इमेज बेटर है, मतलब वो पार्ट बेटर है.
Okay. Is there any ortho mode or like that?
What mode?
Ortho mode by which we can keep this rectangle perpendicular.
नहीं, ये तो शायद मैनुअली ही है. आई डोंट थिंक सो.
अगर हम ये फ्रिंजेस पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं और ऑर्थो मोड ऑन करके फिर इस पे परपेंडिकुलर लाइन ड्रॉ करते हैं तो, या फिर ऐसा कुछ
you can play around it. You have software, you can play around it. You can find ways so that you can calculate the highly accurate thing. You just do it yourself, है ना?
Yeah.
हाँ, तो अभी अब उसको करो प्लेस और उससे फाइंड करने की कोशिश करो. What is the value?
What next, ma'am?
हाँ, अभी आप इसको थोड़ा सा मूव करो. जो वैल्यू आ रही है नीचे.
हाँ, वैल्यू तो अगर मैं कर्सर मूव करता हूँ यहाँ पे तो वैल्यू मुझे मिलती है.
हाँ, तो राइट. What is that value?
Yeah, it is something. My position is now 4.037 nanometer.
No. The difference between these two peak lines.
अभी जब आप तुम इसको मूव कर रहे थे ना राजकिरण, वहां पे एक वैल्यू आपको दिख रही थी। एक बार थोड़ा सा हल्का सा कर्सर मूव करो, और जब आप स्टॉप करोगे तो अपने कर्सर मत हिलाओ और सिर्फ वो वैल्यू नोट करो, फिर से उस पे टाइप करके उसको हिलाओ। इस बॉक्स को
This is I am seeing only position value, but not.
रुको, बट दैट्स व्हाट वी आर एक्सप्लेनिंग। एक बार फिर से उस कर्सर पे जाओ, उस वाले बॉक्स पे जाओ और उसको मूव करो। इस वाले बॉक्स पे नहीं, सॉरी, लाइन प्रोफाइल पे ही, लाइन प्रोफाइल पे। हाँ, लाइन जो लाइंस है उसको, हाँ अभी देखो लाइन दिखी आ रही है।
Okay, now I can see it. This is 4.059 nanometer. 4.059 nanometer.
4.059. Okay, and how much to divide?
Let me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
Okay, so divide that.
Just a minute. Okay, it is 0.5073.
So everybody, सबकी यही वैल्यू आ रही है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Dipali, okay, Dipali, you have answered. Jyoti, you were not able to get the value. So now this time?
Mine is 0.23. I don't know.
0.23?
Yeah.
You share your screen, please. एक बार मैं आपको host बनाती हूँ. Unshare your screen, Rajkiran. Unshare your screen, please.
Okay, I'll stop my.
Yes, thank you. Jyoti, you share your screen, please.
किसको बनाना है होस्ट?
नहीं, आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है। नहीं,
आप म्यूट कर लो अपने आप को।
Okay.
I'm having no option to share the screen.
There is one green
okay, I got
icon.
Monica, this is so like I was doing this. Hello?
We can hear you.
I was doing this now, then it's like the fringes are not coming like clear. Maybe I'm not drawing the rectangle properly.
No.
एक सेकंड, what are you doing यार? अभी तुमने क्या सुना जो हमने बताया?
Chill. लंबी सांस लो. Okay. Jyoti, just close every window. Close this example. Just reopen. Close this profile also. No. Just close this open window. Close this open window. No. Not a software. Open window. The window you are. Let's just close it.
Okay.
Now close the e-profile LF. Close it.
I was trying to do it many times and it was not happening.
Just close every. Okay. Now just go. Close it. This one also. This A. Now open. Example 2.
Yes.
Okay.
अभी इसके पास भी वैसे वो पूरा फोल्डर नहीं है। अभी तुम ऐसे काम कर सकती हो ज्योति, लेकिन बाद में पूरा फोल्डर डाउनलोड कर लेना, क्योंकि अभी तुमने भी पूरा फोल्डर डाउनलोड नहीं किया है। तुम यू आर वर्किंग ऑन ओनली इन exe फाइल, बट इट्स ओके, यू आर शोइंग, यू आर एबल टू सी द स्टैंडर्ड टूल, दो इट्स ओके, यू कैन वर्क. Monica, go ahead.
Now click for the rectangle. Click on that. From where you were getting the lines from that icon. Yes, click over there. No. Now click that line perpendicular to the line of fringes. Now you can rotate it. Just rotate it. No.
It has been selected. Some other
selected. Just no.
Like this.
No. Select. Okay. No.
Like every time I have to select it, maybe.
No, Jyoti.
I think it's not working fine for because मुझे लगता है वो फाइल इसलिए ऐसे है तो इसलिए इसके लिए वर्क नहीं कर रहा है बट
नहीं दीदी, उसने एक्चुअली वो सिलेक्ट किया हुआ था जो नॉर्मल
नहीं वो
आइकन
अपने
है
आप
वो
ही
सिलेक्ट
नहीं
करेगी।
वो अपने आप ही सिलेक्ट हो गया ना, इसने वहां पे क्लिक नहीं किया बट वो अपने आप ही दूसरे पे क्लिक हो गया।
ओके हाँ, उसको डबल क्लिक करो। नहीं उसी पे, हाँ जस्ट डबल क्लिक इट।
ओके
नहीं
देख फिर
दीदी,
से
इसमें
सिलेक्ट हो
कुछ
गया।
प्रॉब्लम है।
हाँ राइट।
Though I was getting what you were teaching now, but in my this software it was not happening, so that's why I was asking that I'm unable.
Also one more thing, I think वो तुम हाफ भी समझ रही हो उसको, क्योंकि हमने आपको पैरेलल लाइन करने के लिए नहीं बोला ज्योति, हमने आपको परपेंडिकुलर लाइन करने के लिए बोला। यू आर
और एक लाइन से ही वो होगा, जस्ट सेलेक्ट दी
हाँ राइट ऐसे
गो टू हाँ दिस क्लिक ऑन, उसी को डबल क्लिक करो वापस से, उसी को डबल क्लिक करो। अभी जो सिलेक्टेड बार है उसको छोड़ के जो स्टैंडर्ड टूल्स में जाओ, स्टैंडर्ड टूल्स में गो टू स्टैंडर्ड टूल्स, क्लिक फर्स्ट वन
एरो।
हाँ एरो, अभी इसको डबल क्लिक करो। नाउ गो टू इंटीग्रेटेड विथ उसको 150 100 कुछ भी करो। सब थर्ड
इसको नहीं
थर्ड डबल क्लिक इट, go yes 150। okay now you can see your rectangle। अब उस रेक्टेंगल का कोई भी एक साइड लो, उस ग्रीन जो स्मॉल रेक्टेंगल है, हाँ स्क्वायर है उस पे, हाँ रोटेट इट, इतना नहीं थोड़ा
उसको अलाइन करो, लाइंस पे अलाइन करो ज्योति।
जो रेक्टेंगल की स्मॉल वाली लेंथ है ना, उसको हमें स्मॉल वाली लेंथ को, बड़ी वाली नहीं,
विड्थ को
But here there is no option to move it.
ना जैसे मूव कर रही थी अभी वैसे ही। रोटेट इट
एक बार और, थोड़ा सा और
ओके
थोड़ा रुको। हाँ
थोड़ा अभी इस अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में
लेफ्ट रुको थोड़ा सा अभी, ठीक है। उसको अभी पूरे बॉक्स को तुम थोड़ा सा साइड लेके आओ, अभी लेके आ पाएंगे?
नहीं रेक्टेंगल जो बॉक्स जो हम रोटेट कर रहे थे वो, हाँ
राइट टू द बेटर पोजीशन। हाँ राइट, यू आर एबल टू।
वन मोर थिंग टू एवरीबडी, when we are going in the TM room, we will be going to see whenever you are going to start your work, तुम जो अपनी फ्रिंजेस देखोगे जो टीएम में होगा, जो टीएम में पीसी रखा होता है उसका रिजोल्यूशन बहुत हाई है। देयर यू विल सी योर फ्रिंजेस वेरी क्लियरली, बट जब तुम वापस आके अपने लैपटॉप में करना स्टार्ट करोगे, मेनी टाइम, आई एम सेइंग मेनी टाइम नॉट फ्यू टाइम्स, मेनी टाइम्स ऐसा होगा कि तुम्हें अपने लैपटॉप में वो फ्रिंजेस दिखेंगी ही नहीं। सो स्टार्टिंग से ही मेक श्योर करना जो बहुत अच्छी फ्रिंजेस दिख रही हो उसी को मतलब फाइनल करना, क्योंकि बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि हमारे पीसी में आके वो नहीं दिखता है क्योंकि उसका रिजोल्यूशन बहुत हाई है, और अल्टीमेटली तुम्हें जो कैलकुलेट करना होगा वो अपने पीसी पे आके कैलकुलेट करना होगा। यस ज्योति, सो नाउ यू कैन सी, yes
okay,
no, click over there, click,
nothing's coming out.
Now you can calculate with different peaks, then divide that with the number of peaks.
Okay, 1 2 6 8 3.6. It's 0.45, close to Rajkiran one.
So because you have different chosen different area,
okay,
and the still it's not properly aligned because peaks are not very sharp.
Yes, it's उसका जो था वो 0.5 नॉट समथिंग था, mine is 0.45. You're quite close. Okay. Should I stop sharing my screen?
Yes, please. D, all yours.
क्या बोलूं अभी मैं, अभी क्या इसको हमें और एग्जांपल्स, you do want to do or one more example or like everybody has done it आगे, or what should we do, or shall we move
What
to,
about that other formats, JPG and other like?
you want to go for JPEG जब भी अभी DM3 क्लियर नहीं हुआ, जहाँ पे आपको कोई क्या बोलते हैं, वहाँ पे आपको कोई कैलिब्रेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, इट इज टेकिंग एज मच डिस्टेंस एज इट वांट्स, हमें JPEG फॉर्मेट के लिए उसको कैलिब्रेट करना पड़ेगा. सो अभी बहुत लोगों के पास वो पूरा फोल्डर ही नहीं है ये डिजिटल माइक्रोग्राफ का, सो विल नॉट बी एबल टू डू इट. सो फॉर नाउ लेट्स स्टॉप इट, वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग ओनली ऑन द सॉफ्टवेयर वाला थिंग. Okay, so what do you want right now? Okay, lattice fringes को one more example करना है, या फिर you want to go for SAD? But then again, SAD will take much time because it's already 6:15. So
hello.
Yes, Kiran.
Yeah, can I ask one question?
Yes, please.
So according to that rectangle we are choosing, we are getting this value now.
Right.
So anyway, in our image there will be 2 3 means quite some places will be there which where that lines will be clear. So if we select another place, that value will be changed now.
It will not, अगर वो it is of the same plane, it will not change. Sometimes what happens, अगर कोई और line दिख रही है तो it might be of different planes, so it value would be different.
Okay.
So अगर it is of the same plane, its value would be same. The human error would be there by calculating, but that would be in the range only. But इतना भी drastic नहीं आएगा कि आपका 0.3 और 0.4 आ रहा है. That is a huge change. उसके बाद नहीं, अगर आपका 0.39, 0.40 इतना हो सकता है, that's it. But
No,
आपका
actually, okay, when I done first time I got 0.49, this example
Okay.
0.4928, but then again I got 0.513. So these 513, both values are acceptable one.
I mean, it's better that अपना human error you make as less as possible, but अगर it is of the same plane, it will be having a same value.
Okay, thank you.
Yes. Because then you have to select rectangle, you have to align it properly, and then you calculate it. Or sometimes when you जब you क्या बोलते हैं उसको, अभी जब हम select कर रहे थे average value के लिए point select कर रहे थे, तो sometimes आप you're not at the middle of the point, middle of the peak. Sometimes आप इधर उधर भी होते हो. So make sure you are at the middle of the point, right? Middle of the peak. So in that case, the human error would be less, manual error would be less. So then everywhere, if in case it is the same plane, you'll get the same values.
Okay.
Yes. मोनिका क्या करना है यार, SAD पढ़ा दे कि क्या करना है? I don't know.
SAD दीदी टाइम लेगा, अगर आपके पास है इतना टाइम. सॉरी, मतलब मेरे को पता है मैं गलत बोल रही हूँ. ठीक है, कोई नहीं, बहुत जूनियर बच्चे हैं, आपको दुआएं देंगे.
मेरे को क्या दुआएं देंगे अभी मेरे को. Okay, fine. What I'm saying is let's move to this only. SAD sorry, आज lattice fringes ही करते हैं. Let people take it.
Okay, मुझे लगता है दीदी आप एक बार सबसे पूछ लीजिए कि किसी को भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या, क्योंकि अगर हम नेक्स्ट टाइम उससे फॉरवर्ड जाएंगे तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए यही चीज हम कल दोबारा या आप जब भी फ्री होंगे तब समझा रहे हैं.
So I'll ask sir also कि just give us one more day for the hands-on so that we can revise it. Revise मतलब सिर्फ एक बार, हाँ, सिर्फ I'll ask you to, or meantime I'll ask the values for the other example to everybody. Okay, next class में, and then I'll explain what how can you analyze the SAD pattern. Okay, so because right now it's also not possible for me to teach SAD because there's some problem, laptop charge नहीं है और light नहीं है. So
anybody else has any
question? Right, question है वो पूछो. Meantime हम 10-20 minutes में आपके question discuss करते हैं या फिर ये discuss करते हैं. Then if in case next time हम एक बार सर से फिर से slot मांग लेंगे and then we'll discuss this, the next part of the analysis.
मैम
हाँ जी बोलो.
मैम DM3 जो फाइल है वो पीसी से नहीं मिल रहा है, वो सॉरी इलेक्ट्रॉन माइक्रोस्कोपी से नहीं मिल रहा है?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, आपको दोनों चीजें मिलती हैं, आपकी सॉफ्टवेयर फाइल्स यानी DM3 फाइल एंड देन आपकी JPEG फाइल। तो अगर आप उस फाइल को खोलोगे ना, उसके जैसे आपने लैटिस फ्रिंजेस DM3 खोला, आपको वो फाइल दिखी? एक सेकेंड मैं शेयर करती हूँ। Okay, so let me close this. You're able to see my screen now. So I'll open it. You are able to see this LF3 or DF3 file. So this is the thing. Okay, and when you open it, your image file, this file, it will also open like this only. But on this, these things will not perform. I mean, you cannot do anything on this. That's why we have to do it on software files. So first, to make it work, you have to convert something and convert this into some other file, I mean in this and other format, and then you have to calibrate it, and then only you can perform if in case. But there's a chances of manual error, as we have explained earlier also. So it's better that you perform anything on the DM3 file, the software files है ना, क्योंकि वो already calibrate है, and whatever value you'll get, that will be accurate.
और मैम अगर आपको ये क्या पेपर के लिए इसको देना है तो आप JPG फाइल देते हुए या DM3 फाइल?
Okay, so I'm sorry. What you have to do is, पेपर के लिए आपको देना होता है तो आप DM3 फाइल कैसे दोगे ना, वो आपको इमेज दिखानी पड़ेगी, तो वहाँ पे आपको इमेज दिखानी पड़ती है, एंड देन जो भी आपके ऊपर कॉस्मेटिक करना पड़ता है, फाइल में जाओ, अपनी PPT में जाओ, वो ऐसे लाइन बनाओ, और फिर आप उसमें एरो बना के अपनी वैल्यूज लिख के ऊपर का कॉस्मेटिक आपको वो JPEG में करना पड़ेगा, फिर वो आप उसको अपना पेपर में ऐड कर सकते हो। तो उसमें DM3 फाइल आपकी जा नहीं सकती ऐसे, क्योंकि वो आपको दिखेगी नहीं, दैट इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर फाइल, वो आपको डिजिटल माइक्रोग्राफ में ही दिख रही है, यू आर एबल टू सी इट ऑन डिजिटल माइक्रोग्राफ ओनली। सो फॉर टू गिव इट इन अ पेपर यू हैव टू टेक योर JPEG ओनली।
ओके मैम जो वो उस टाइम पे जो मिला है वो क्या मतलब
देखो जो ये आपकी फाइल है ना, जो भी मैं आपको ओपन करके दिखाती हूँ, जैसे ये वाली ऐसे ओपन, तो ये दोनों फाइल जब आप अपना TM में अपना डेटा लेने के लिए जाएंगे, आपको वो इमेज दिखाएंगे, आपको वो आपका डेटा कैप्चर करेंगे, तो जब आपको डेटा देंगे उसमें वो दोनों फाइल्स होंगे आपके साथ, DM3 भी होगी और JPEG भी होगी।
ओके मैम।
हाँ, आपको एनालाइज करने के लिए, लैटिस फ्रिंजेस निकालने के लिए, SAD के लिए, डी स्पेसिंग निकालने के लिए आपको DM3 फाइल चाहिए लगेगी, लेकिन जब आप उसको पेपर में देंगे तो आपको इमेज दिखा के करना पड़ेगा ना, तो देन यू विल शो योर इमेज फाइल।
ओके मैम, तो मैम ये JPG फाइल दे देंगे?
हाँ जी, वो आपको JPEG फाइल भी देंगे।
ओके मैम।
हाँ, दोनों फाइल देंगे। दिस इज द डेटा दैट वी गॉट फ्रॉम द TM ओनली इन NCL ओनली।
ओके मैम।
हाँ, ओके। एनीवन एल्स? क्या हुआ, कोई क्वेश्चन है क्या बच्चों?
Ma'am, are you going to take next lecture?
That's we don't know. We have to ask sir whether he'll be giving his lecture to us or not. So we don't know.
Ma'am, maybe I can try some other example, and if I have any doubt, I can ask you separately.
Yes, sure. Everybody, it's better that you do all the examples. We have how many examples we have given?
5 or 6.
LF के 5 examples.
Yeah.
Examples LF के 5 हैं. So 2 we have already done. So it's better you do the remaining 3, and then you can cross check with everybody. I mean, among yourself कि किसका कितना आ रहा है. Then or maybe you can confirm with me or Manisha. Manisha can forward your message to me or Monica Ghelawat, anybody. So we can confirm that yeah, this is the value and you are doing it right. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Manisha.
Ma'am, whenever we get 2 or 3 values, nearby values of D spacing, how to decide which one to take? Like
So
I
it's
was getting 0.498, 0.51.
I guess best is better that you do many times.
Okay.
And then you just see how much close you are getting. I mean, एक value, I think you would, you will get repeatedly. So it's better that you are doing it nicely and accurately. So I think that would be the better value. I suppose that.
Okay, ma'am.
मतलब
और
जिसमें तुम्हें लग
जिस
रहा है कि
एरिया
तुमने
में
हाँ
भी
हाँ
तुम
बेटर
रिपोर्ट करने वाले हो ना पेपर में।
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ दीदी आप बोलिए।
नहीं 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 कंटिन्यू कंटिन्यू।
मैं बोल रही थी जिस एरिया में हम पेपर में मेंशन करते हैं उस एरिया के पास उस एरिया में जो वैल्यू आती है मनीषा हम वो भी लेते हैं।
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, one more thing. It's such a lame question, but like if some like in this plot only, some areas are darker and some are brighter and some are in the medium range. So is there anything that we should take it in the darker area or in the brighter one? Hello?
We are able to hear.
Hello?
I think that is
Am I
hello.
audible?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I think that is not a problem as such because ये जो आपको डार्कर और वो दिखता है जब सभी आपने आपको समझाया हुआ है तो वो उसकी वजह
Yes,
से
ma'am.
दिखता है. But the thing is, if in case your area is clear like this, अगर वो dark में भी clear है तो you can take in that area as well. So if in case planes are there, that way it will not matter from where you are taking. अगर planes ऐसे ही visible dark में भी दिख रहे हैं. See for example यहाँ पे वो अच्छे से नहीं दिख रहे हैं.
Yeah.
यहाँ पे बेटर दिख रहे हैं. सो बेटर यहाँ पे अब जैसे यहाँ पर भी आपको दिख रहे हैं. ठीक है. whenever it is visible clearly, so it's better you take it and your data would be more accurate from there that area only. So you try आप you मतलब sometimes क्या होता है you have to try कि आपका better results और better resolution या फिर better values कहाँ से आ सकती हैं. For example, I can choose from here because we are able to see something, but the results will not be accurate और आपकी chances of human or manual error would be more here. So you may miss something here, but there are less chances that you may miss something because it is clearly visible, है ना. So from the graph also, from the line profile also, you'll be able to get it properly from here. From here also you'll be able to get properly. So you have to I mean see yourself from where the data is fine or you can get the accurate results as possible.
Thank you, ma'am.
हेलो
Yes.
मैम एग्जांपल 5 में फ्रिंजेस कैसे निकालेंगे? मतलब वहां पूरा खिचड़ी ऐसा बन गया है, बस थोड़ा सा जगह पोर्शन में फ्रिंजेस दिख रहा है.
एक सेकेंड. Example 5. Okay. ठीक है. यहाँ से तुम कर सकते हो उसको. Let me minimize. From here you can do something if in case you can get something.
Yes,
or
ma'am.
otherwise you can leave. If in case this is not a good example, then you can leave. Maybe I have provided everything so which I had with me. So sometimes you get like this, you're not able to find it. But if in case something you can see up here on your PC, so you can calculate it from here. Otherwise there's no position as such. From here also sometimes it is okay, but not that much. So yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Example 4 is okay. Example 3 is okay. Example 3 is okay. Okay, fine. So if in case sir allows us to take one more class, or if in case he has time, then maybe we can meet some other day. Meantime, you just check this or maybe note down somewhere, otherwise you may forget, or it's not necessary that sir will upload this recording on YouTube because I don't know whether if in case he sees it, so then he'll not upload it. If in case he sees ke wo acha recording hua hoga, it's better, then he may upload, I don't know. So it's better that whatever you have done, you write and properly and just check after some times, because you may forget what we have done in this class after some time when you will not be using it. Okay, so it's better that you write somewhere, make a note of it, and then in some 15 days, 20 days, check again whether you're getting the same value or not. Okay, make a note of it. So you can test, that is how you can practice it. And if like as I told you, as Monica also told you, sir ko paas time milta hai, then maybe we can meet some other day. then we can go for maybe particle size also and then SAD also. But for that आज जो हुआ अगर उस दिन ना हो तो हम आज अच्छे से कर पाते, काफी चीजें कर पाते, बट ओके कोई बात नहीं, अगर हमें नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलता है तो फिर हम SAD, और अगर SAD समझ में आया तो देन वी कैन गो फॉर पार्टिकल साइज ऑल्सो, और अगर ऐसी वाली बात हुई तो वी कैन गो फॉर JPEG से हम कैसे उसको कर सकते हैं, देन वी कैन मूव टू दैट ऑल्सो, बट या वी हैव टू टॉक टू सर रिगार्डिंग दैट. ओके, सो आई गेस और कोई क्वेश्चन है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, देन अदरवाइज विल स्टॉप द मीटिंग. कुछ और समझना है, कुछ और जानना है? सॉफ्टवेयर सबका डाउनलोड हो गया बाय द वे अभी प्रॉपर तरीके से?
यस मैम.
ओके, मतलब सबका काम कर रहा है. पूजा नहीं, सॉरी, ज्योति तुम्हें फिर से करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि यू आर नॉट एबल टू डाउनलोड इट प्रॉपर्ली, क्योंकि वो तुम्हारे में पूरे ऑप्शंस नहीं दिखा रहा. हाँ, तो तुम किसी से हेल्प लेके उसको फिर से डाउनलोड मारो, क्योंकि तुमने सिर्फ एक सी फाइल ही डाउनलोड किया है, देन वो ही तुम रन कर रही हो. तो बाकी भी उसको पूरा कंप्लीट करो. बाकी और जिसके साथ कंप्लीट प्रॉब्लम है वो मीन टाइम इस वीकेंड पे कोऑर्डिनेट करके अमंग योरसेल्फ उसको रेक्टिफाई करो, ठीक करो एंड स्टार्ट इफ इन केस. हाँ जी बोलो.
नो इशू मैम, आई विल डू इट.
ओके, थैंक यू. और जिसको और भी कोई प्रॉब्लम है उसको इस वीकेंड पे सब कुछ कंप्लीट करके एंड देन रेक्टिफाई इट एंड देन डू इट, और एग्जांपल्स कंप्लीट करके आपस में तुम डिस्कस कर सकते हो कि व्हाट इज योर वैल्यू ऑफ द सेकंड एंड थर्ड एग्जांपल, फोर्थ एग्जांपल, एंड देन ओके. हाँ, बस यही बोलना था, ज्यादा हो गया. चलो अभी और क्या बोलूं? मोनिका, यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
नो वर्ड्स.
ओके. भावनती, यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
नहीं मोनिका, बट थैंक यू, काफी चीजें क्लियर हो गई तुमने जो एक दो एग्जांपल बताए, एंड आई थिंक विद प्रैक्टिस ओनली वी विल गेट मास्टरी ओवर इट.
यस यस यस,
क्योंकि वो जो कर्सर कंट्रोल है वो थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड है, बट
वो सब चीजें मैनुअली है दी, तो उतना
तो प्रैक्टिस के साथ वो फाइन हो जाएंगी.
राइट राइट. तो सबने सुना, प्रैक्टिस के साथ ही होएगा. सो बेटर इफ यू डू वन एग्जांपल नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स, सो यू बेटर डू इट प्रॉपर्ली. Zoom it. There's an option of zooming also, so you can zoom the thing, so whether you are getting properly or not. So एक second, I'll share screen. एक सेकेंड ना. ओके, हाँ, तो जैसे ये जूम है यहाँ पे, तो अगर if you open some file, you want to zoom at some area, so you can zoom it. It will zoom it for you. So then you can align it properly if you want to. But for that, then again you have to move your cursor. I mean, you move your this thing to that. मतलब अगर जैसे तुमने यहाँ पे line बनाई, let's see for example this. So you can just check it कि वो सही से हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है ना. तो you can check it like that if you in case zoom करके. So you can, there are number of tools here. You can see what this do, what that this do, what this do. So you can check it. You can at least have a look at least one day, and then if in case come up with some problem or something like that, then we can discuss some other day, है ना? So I guess let's stop it now. Or if in case you have problem, you can write to me or Monica. You have our emails also. So then we will be happy to help you if in case you have some problem. So I guess now let's stop it. बंद करें, रिकॉर्डिंग बंद करती हूँ पहले तो.